Hello everyone, today we are working with our middle split and how to stretch your body for your splits. So stay with me and we'll get started. So first exercises which we will do today, we will working with from up. So we slowly take up our leg, open our hip and close at the back. So let's start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we will change our legs and do some simple exercises. So we take our leg, open, back and close. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, after that we'll drawing circle our leg. So I will take my knee how I can maximum on myself and then I will try slowly drawing a circle and the close legs together. So let's start with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now we will change the side. So I will try to take my leg more on the floor, slowly take up my leg and close. Let's start. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Amazing work. And now we'll try and do the same exercises but on the left leg. So I will take on myself and drawing. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, 4 and 5. Good work. Change the side. So we on the floor take on ourselves and back. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, after that we will get back and then we'll try to take our legs in different sides. Take one leg more for ourselves and now we'll start working with the hips. We'll get moved and get back. So when we get sit in this position, we not sit like that, okay? We'll take our feet up. So let's start. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5. After that we can try take back leg and stretch more. Then guys we will do the same exercises but another side. We moved 1, we moved 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then we take two legs together and slowly get relaxed. So guys, it will be first part of exercise with working on our hips. If you want a big training, follow me and go and watch my another videos. So bye bye.